going to show you how to access SAP Logon using Rowan Cloud. First of all, if you type Access.Rowan.Edu, then that will take you this website after entering your Rowan credential. If you log on to Rowan Cloud, this is Rowan Virtual Desktop, you might have these two settings and choose Academic Virtual Desktop. And I'm using MacBook Pro, and you can just enter your credential, and I'm going to enter into my Rowan Virtual Desktop. And if you do that, you will come to Academy Virtual Desktop and click on it, and you might see this screen, and here under Actions, click on Open, then they will run Rowan Virtual Desktop for you. So if you wait for a while, then it will run. And here we go. Here is Rowan Virtual Desktop. And here you want to click on SAP on the command bar. Then SAP Logon is there. So click on that. Then SAP Logon will run for you. SAP GUI for Windows. And here we have SAP GUI. In your case, we are going to go to Honda because that is the server that we are given to use this semester. So Honda ucc.uw.edu. So click on that and log on. And we are now on this interface of SAP. And by using this interface, we are having an access to the server that is running at University of Wisconsin-Milwaukee. And client number that I gave you or that we received is 542. And here you are going to have your own ID. For example, it could be learn-034 or learn-017. So in this case, I'm going to use an example, learn-200. So in your case, you have to use your own ID. You should not use this 200, but your own ID that is available on Canvas under SAP module. And the initial password is Rowan PWD. And R and PWD are in uppercase, and the rest is in lowercase. So I'm going to enter initial password Rowan PWD, enter that, and then you're going to be prompted with this window saying that, yeah, so you initially successfully logged on, you need to change your password. And I'm going to use very simple password so that I don't forget it. And I'm going to email this password to myself and text it to myself, make a note of it so that I don't forget. Because SAP is very sophisticated program, and if you make mistakes 3 times, then you are going to be just locked out of this program because it has a control over many things, and you don't want to mess up with this program. So that's why it is very sensitive. And if you fail to log on 3 times, then you are locked out of it, and it's going to be taking long time for you to deal with that. So I encourage you to write it down, email it to yourself, and screen capture it, and text it to yourself so that you don't forget this password. So I have done that, and it says now you are logged on, right? So check mark. Then it says welcome to SAP, and it expires on December 24th. And then I'm going to say check mark, and then you should be able to enter now SAP program. And if you look at here, you have SAP menu. There are many menus. This is financing function, and transaction function, and office function, logistics function, accounting function, human resources, patient accounting, information systems, tools, and web client. So there are a lot of functions in here, and you are to follow the guideline that I gave you on Canvas, and also tutorials that I posted on Canvas, and you can follow along and finish lab 1 and 2 and 3, and you can do lab 4 and 5 for extra credit. So if I just show you the functions under logistics, you have many functions. Go to production, master data, and material master, and material, and create special, and we can create raw material, semi-finished product, finished product, and so forth. We can produce here, and this is how you log on to SAP this semester. Thank you.